Goodbye my store on Society6. It's not making sale, and now that I had to pay each month just to have the store up, it's just not worth it anymore. I opened the store on April 2nd, 2021. I managed to upload with Flying Uploads and automation upload tool that just do uploading to all of the stores I had for print-on-demand marketplaces websites. So I uploaded 13,984 designs to this store on Society6. A month ago, I had to start paying for the honor to have a store on Society6, $12.9 each month, which is not that high, but if you don't get sales, it just not makes sense to pay that. After 2.5 years on the platform, I managed to make only $140, so I had to cancel this. Here's how I cancel the payments for the store. When you are on your store or anywhere in the website, click on the circle icon in the top menu. Then click on Earning, and when you get there, you have a new items in the menu. So open it again and you can see you have Manage Artist Plan tab. Click on that. Now you can cancel your subscription and they won't charge you anymore. You have time with your store until the end of the payment period. For some reason, I got an email congratulating me for joining the program, but when I checked the status on the artist plan, it is stating that the program was cancelled. I would like to know if someone here managed to get more sales when he joined the Pro program from Society6 when they did the change. If you want the whole story why I did paid this month, although I didn't have that many sales from Society6 in the past 2.5 years, then watch this video next and subscribe to my channel.